Good morning and welcome back to another beautiful day of raw vlogging it. Today we are headed out to Santa Rosa to help my homie Julian remove a motor, install a motor, and get his car back going. He was gracious enough to help me in everything that I needed for Project Z. So we're gonna go return the favor. Hold on, it's getting really dark. There we go. It's still like 8 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful morning, about 70 degrees. So we're gonna get up out of here, but before we do that, we need to leave this harness. I'm gonna probably leave it over there. Mike needs some pins for his LSA setup. They're wiring up some gauges and doing some of that stuff, so we're gonna leave that out. Also, I need to grab some tools that I have that he doesn't have. We need a plug for the transmission, the pilot bearing puller, an extended extension, and a couple other things. So I think we're going to load it all up. We're gonna go get gas, we're gonna grab coffee, because of course we're gonna grab coffee, and then we're gonna get up out of here. So let's get this day started. We're stopping here real quick. We're gonna grab gas, and then we're probably gonna drive right over there to Dutch Brothers and get our coffee. So I'm gonna do this real quick, and then then we're really getting out of here. Not too bad. 50 bucks got us 200 miles, or a little over half a tank. It was like empty. All right, and we're out of here. All right, just driving and looking down, we just crushed the 1,000-mile mark on the new car. So already been doing a lot of driving. I've only had it for like a week, so I guess 1,000 miles really isn't that much. But being that I don't have to commute so far for work, 1,000 miles is already there. Plus, we're gonna put a lot of miles on it here coming up this week. We're heading out to Santa Rosa. It's about 75 miles from where I'm at, and then this weekend, I haven't told y'all yet, but we're gonna be heading down south, and I'll explain that a little bit later. Just getting here, pulling up. I don't know. Nope, the garage ain't open yet. But we're gonna pull up right here. All right, so we got the parts. Garage is open. You can see a lot of nice cars here too. My brother Julian's car. Bad head gasket, unfortunately, but we got the new motor. So we're gonna get started tearing this apart. Just like you guys have seen in other videos, I've had to tear down, take out all the cut stuff, the right-hand drive power steering pump. This has a different plug on it on the alternator. So we got some cleanup we need to do with this, and then we're gonna start tearing down the rest of the car. Yeah, today's gonna be like another typical day, like at the house, but we're at Julian's house. So I guess first things first, yeah, I'm gonna jack this up a little bit more. Kind of assess what I need to do. We do need to pull out the automatic pilot bearing. That's why I brought that tool. But everything here looks good. So let's get started. Oh yeah, no AC either. So we need to take off like this whole side. This engine will look so much cleaner and so much like more bare, ready to go in after I'm done with it. So, all right, let's get going. All right, and just to let you guys know before we get started, this isn't going to be a how-to or even really a progress video, to be honest. It's just going to be kind of a chill day. You'll kind of see how it goes over the course of the day, the progress that we make and all that. So yeah, I just don't want you guys to think that like it's going to be a how-to, step-by-step, all this type of stuff. It's just, you know, me coming over, helping my brother out, making sure that he's going to be back on track because we're getting really close to Project Z finishing, and I'm going to be back on track. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that. So, all right, now it's time to get started. All right, so it's about 12:15. I kind of got sidetracked, you know, just getting in the groove and doing things. But you can see I have the engine out. It's already sitting on the ground. I have the harness off. It's back on the transmission. And now I'm just going to be pulling off all the stuff that we're going to use for this one to put it onto this engine. I was going to strip that one first, but I feel like it'd be easier this way, so that way I have all the stuff that I need to do. So when I take it off of this engine, I can take the stuff that we're using, put it right back on, and then we can slide this on there. So, I mean, today's going well. It's pretty nice out. There's not really a whole lot that's, you know, fighting me or doing anything like that. He does have long tube headers, so it kind of made it a little bit easier. You can see there's nothing in there, so I was able to take it out and you know, have a little bit more wiggle room back and forth. So yeah, everything's going good. I think he should probably be back. Julian will be back probably about 2 o'clock, maybe 1:30. See how far I get by the time he gets back. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, so Julian just got home. Now we are tearing apart the coil packs, the spark plugs, switching that stuff over, and I just pulled the pilot bearing out of the new engine. So now I just need to install the manual one, and then we're gonna put the flywheel and clutch on. The flywheel and clutch are pretty new, actually. So we got our whole array of parts that we're putting on here taken off, so I'm gonna keep going. All right, a lot of time has passed. I've been terrible about vlogging today. You can see it's like almost dark, and that engine is now in, but it's the moment of truth. It's the moment of truth. It's the moment of truth. We did this in one day. I mean, what time is it? It's 8:30, and we're ready to start it.
Oh god.
Come on.
With keys in here?
Yeah. All right, this is take 2. That was my bad. I left the 12mm nut off the starter.
Stupid idiot.
Yeah, stupid idiot. Yeah, that's my bad. So now it should start. Try it again. Finally got it running. This motor had been sitting for a long time, so it was having quite the hard time starting up. So we put a battery tender on it, and after that, now it's finally running. No check engine light. Sounds good. So now it's time to eat. All right, we just finished eating. We're gonna set the car on the ground. I'm gonna get ready to shove off. I think we're gonna put the hood on. But overall, successful day. We heard it run. We know it runs good. Yes, 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 yes. We have a mess to clean up, but I'm tired. It's like 9:30 right now, so I think I'm gonna bring camera, all the other stuff to the car. We're gonna throw the hood on. We're gonna get out of here. So when we get home, I'll wrap it up, and yeah, I guess that'll be it for today. Sorry I didn't really like stay on it so much today. Hold on, let me turn where maybe you can see. There we go. Didn't stay on it so much today because we did have kind of a deadline. We needed to get this done. I could have ran it up and had like a time lapse and all that type of stuff, but I'm really trying to make it where these vlogs feel more like it's just like personal. So sometimes it's not going to be, you know, around the clock on the vlog on that type of stuff, but yeah, I mean, you guys kind of get to see what's going on daily. It's not always going to be the same thing. It's not always going to be the same style, but yeah, I guess we're gonna go throw this hood on, and I'm gonna throw this in the car, and we'll see you when we get to the house. All right, y'all recognize this? We're home. It's time to go inside. I think people are sleeping, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. However, I think I might start maybe like tomorrow, start off the day, or even have like a day 2, because I kind of dropped the ball on today's stuff. But like I said, it was just a busy day. I only had one day to get out there and knock that job out for Julian. So yeah, I'm home, about to go in, shower, and hit the hay because I'm tired. So yeah, we'll start this again in the morning.